Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we're gonna talk about loops. We go back to talking about loops. So we're gonna talk about the while loop. So the while loop is quite interesting. So the first thing we're gonna need is a variable. Okay. So let's create a variable called counter. Counter will be equal to 0. And now we're gonna create a while loop. So the while loop is quite similar to the for loop. So this is our starting number. We need a condition. So while this is going to be our condition. So in the for loop, we put the condition in the second argument, but here we write this body of while loop. So we're gonna write a condition while counter is less than 10, and we need to put a curly brackets to write some code between them or inside them. So here we will do some stuff with the counter variable. So let's say printf %d/n and counter. And if you guys remember, we need to have a increment. So the increment will happen inside of the while function. So otherwise, this will be a infinite loop. So counter plus plus is our increment. So this basically will increment this counter variable in 1. So if I run this, if I compile and execute, I should see this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there we go, guys. I just need to make some explanation. So if we break it down, it's pretty close to a for loop. So this is our beginning. This is our variable and our initial value. This is our condition, and this is our increment. So it's just a little bit different. You guys just need to pay attention on how to put this together. That's all. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.